Hi everyone, welcome back to my Rohan Technologies. In this video, we will learn about how to write the code in Arduino by using the Walkway software. Before going to the Arduino coding, we will discussing some main concepts of the Walkway software. So first of all, what is Walkway? Walkway is an online simulator that lets you design and test the Arduinos and ESP32, Raspberry Pi, and many other electronic projects directly in your web browser. So, no physical hardware is needed. It's like to have a virtual electronic lab that you can open anytime and anywhere. And next, going to the benefits of the Walkway. So, first benefit is it is free to use. It means you can start and building without spending money on the components. Second one is no hardware requirements. It means test your project before buying any real parts. Next one is beginner friendly. It is easy to interface with the drag and drop of the components and support the many of the components like the LEDs, sensors, motors, LCDs and more. And last one is the fast testing. It means quickly change the code and see the results instantly. All those are the benefits of the Walkway software. How to write code in Arduino? The first step is declaration part, and the second step is the global area, and third one is the looping part. These three steps are used to write the code in Arduino. Before going to the coding part, I will explain a simple project. The project name is the LED blinking. In this LED blinking project, the hardware requirements are one LED and one 220 ohm resistor and Arduino Uno. Let us directly go for the walkway simulation. Open your web browser, search walkway.com. Here click on Arduino Uno. You will see a blank workspace with an Arduino board on the screen. In the right side, going for the components library, select LED, place in a proper way, and then take another component, resistor. Double click on the resistor, add the resistor value of the 220 ohms, and rotate the resistor. And after placed in a proper way, 10th pin, and cathode of the LED is connected to the one end of the resistor and other end of the resistor is connected to the ground. If hardware connection is completed, go for the coding portion. You write the pin mode. Pin mode means we declare the 10th pin is connected to the Arduino. So we write 10 comma output. Going to the looping condition. If 10th pin is the digital pin of the Arduino, so we write the digital write of 10 comma high. High means LED is in on, delay of the 1000. Next again, if LED is in turn off case, again write digital write of 10 comma low. Low means turn off of LED. Waiting for 1 second. Again add the delay of 1000. So if coding part is completed, then directly go for the simulation portion of the green button. Press the green button if circuit is simulated. So here we are observing the output of the LED if blinking of 1 second and after it will turn off. This is the LED blinking process. I will explain some basics about the code. The difference between the input and output devices we write in the code. In the setup function, we will declare the pin mode of 10 comma output. So why we write the output? So in this particular section, different types of the sensors we are using in the more number of the projects. So all the sensors, switches, push buttons, potentiometers, all those are the input devices. And output devices are the LCD displays, LEDs, motors, and the buzzers, all those are the output devices. So that is the reason if LED is the output device. So we mentioned the setup mode of the configuration, pin mode, we declare the 10 comma output. So if LED is the output device, so we write the code in the output. For example, we are using the any one of the sensor, we write the some 10th pin comma input. So if the setup mode is completed, I will write a void loop condition. In the void loop condition, I write the digital write. So why we are using the digital write? What is the meaning of the digital? Digital means discrete values. Discrete means either on and off condition. Only it perform the two states, either high or low. So I will select one of the LED. So my project is blinking of LED. Just it performs on and off. I will connect the digital pins of the Arduino. So we write the code in the digital writer. And next, analog. So here when you are connected the analog, if the analog means continuous variation of the signals. If any one of the sensor you are taken, it will operate continuously. So we write the analog mode. So in this particular condition, we write in the looping part, we write analog write mode. In the coding portion, we mention the input values or input devices. We are using the digital read and analog read. We declare the output values by using the digital write and analog write. This is the basic coding portion. We are using the digital and analog terms. So here all those are the basic steps to follow the code in the Arduino. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beginner friendly tech videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.